Well, this morning I am photographing my favorite skyline in the world, New York City, from across the East River. Well, I made my way to Queens, New York this morning to Long Island City, area called Gantry Plaza State Park. And as you can see in back of me, there's a great view of Midtown Manhattan from here. So let me get my camera out, my tripod set up, and start to work on getting some images. Well, I've set up my tripod and I'm starting to take some shots. It's still pretty dark out. I've got a street light illuminating me, that's why I look bright, but it's pretty dark, so I'm going out to 30 seconds. Kind of a boring sky this morning. I was hoping to get some nice clouds, but I'm not really getting them. So these may end up in black and white. Good news is it's very calm, and so there's kind of a cool reflection in the East River here, which will add to the image. So let me take some shots and see how they come out. Just one quick tip, if you're doing a long exposure and there's a light source near the camera, like the sun or in this case a street light, you should try to cover up the viewfinder because the light can leak in there and distort the image a bit. And so I've got my viewfinder covered and I'm getting some good clean shots. Taking a bunch of shots. I am going to try a very long exposure now. So I popped on my 10-stop neutral density filter and I'll go out to about 3.5 minutes. And that will really smooth out that water, and hopefully with the sun rising now I get some detail in the buildings. Just gotta be patient and we'll see how it turns out. Well, I took some shots here. I am going to make my way around this area a little bit. Maybe look for some other shots to take. Maybe try to get something of downtown because the sun is starting to bounce off those buildings over there. And see what I can find. Well, I wandered around a bit, took a couple shots, really nothing good, so I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna head home. If you like this video, just hit that subscribe button to make sure you see all of my future videos. Until later.